Well, new at 6 o'clock, Kaiser San Jose is honoring the lives that have been lost to coronavirus with an on-campus memorial.
Yeah, KPIX5's Andria Borba talking with some staff members about how they have coped over the past 2 years, including one nurse who lost 5 family members to the virus.
The pandemic began here at Kaiser San Jose on February 28, 2020, when the first patient under investigation for COVID-19 became the first confirmed case in Santa Clara County. Today, the hospital remembered those lives lost and honored those healthcare workers who worked to save lives with the unveiling of a new memorial. How do you honor 1 million American lives lost to COVID-19? At Kaiser San Jose, bells rang for 189 seconds straight. 1 second for every life lost at the hospital to COVID-19. For hospital staff nurse Elsa Garcia, the losses weren't just patients, but family. She lost 5 family members to the coronavirus while she was working to save the lives of other people's loved ones. Elsa says her colleagues lifted her up while dealing with their own grief and fear.
Despite our sadness and the loss, at Kaiser we're such a tight family. He was there when I most needed someone to hug me and say it'll be okay.
How do you heal the healers?
We heard the cries and prayers of family members sitting in their parked cars alone, not knowing when and if they could see their loved ones before they passed on. We provided comfort and solace, even when there was not much to be had.
Sharon Bell was named ICU manager in February 2020 and says the everyday acts of humanity and heroism by her staff took her breath away.
When I rounded, that nurse was holding the patient's hand, talking to him. This patient was intubated, so she didn't know if the patient could hear her or not.
And today, praying the worst is behind them, the staff at Kaiser San Jose took a moment to honor those lives lost, as well as themselves, the essential workers who fought to keep a community alive.
I am so proud of all of you.
In San Jose, Andria Borba, KPIX5.